The Stoke Tripp Trapp is one of the most expensive high chairs on the market, and you must be wondering if it's worth the money. So let's break down the pros and cons of this high chair, and at the end of this video, I'll give you my personal opinion as a mom and nurse. Coming up. Levi is 1 year old, and we have been using this high chair since he turned 6 months. So let's go over the pros of this high chair. When looking at this high chair, it looks like a nice piece of furniture. When it's up against the table, you can't tell it's a high chair from behind. And there are a lot of different color options you can choose from, hopefully a color that will match your furniture. This chair allows your baby to sit at the same table as your family. The wood feels durable, and you can tell that it's really made with good quality material. And the biggest selling point of this chair is that it grows with your baby. It's supposed to go from 6 months to even adulthood. Here is the high chair with the baby seat attached. The baby seat is detachable and turns into a toddler chair. This toddler chair can be used up until 3 years old, and then it turns into a regular chair where you adjust the seat and the footrest. And this means you don't need to buy any additional seats for your child, no booster seats or anything. And the seat and the footrest are adjustable to your child's growing height. It allows you to reconfigure the seat and footrest to allow your baby's leg to be at 90 degrees when eating. And a footrest provides a stable foundation for them to focus on eating. The baby seat comes with a 5-point harness to keep your baby securely fastened, and this is a great safety feature. They also have additional accessories that you can buy, such as a cushion. And one of the greatest things about this high chair is that it's so easy to clean. This is an amazing perk of this chair. When your baby is learning how to eat, it can get very, very messy. So the last thing you want is for your chair to be hard to clean. Because this chair is just wood, it makes the cleanup so easy and so fast. Your toddler can climb in and out of the chair, and the chair won't move. This is great because you don't have to lift your heavy baby or toddler into the chair anymore, and it gives your baby more independence and autonomy getting into the chair. Now let's go over the cons of this high chair. First and foremost, let's talk about cost. This high chair is extremely expensive. It retails at $289, and it may not be in the budget for many families. The accessories, such as the chair cushion and separate table, are sold separately and are an added cost. The last thing you want to do is pay more money for already an expensive high chair. Another con is that this high chair is not portable. You wouldn't want to take apart this high chair because it can take some time putting it together. Once you place it at the table, you should plan on leaving it there. Now, when you need to adjust the seat and footrest, you need to untighten all of the bolts. And this can be tedious if you're in a hurry. And this can also be considered a pro because the seat and footrest won't move unless you untighten all the bolts. So it really is up to you whether this is a pro or a con. However, it is a good safety feature, but a tedious one to undo. Overall, I personally love this high chair, and I've been using it for the past 7 months, ever since we started the baby-led weaning with Levi. And my sister, who also has a Stoke Tripp Trapp, used hers for 1.5 years, and she loves it as well. I love how easy it is to clean, how sturdy the wood is, and how well this high chair grows with your baby. When they designed this high chair, they really had in mind the modern mom with how sleek it looks, how easy it is to clean, and how well you can adjust the seat and the footrest for your growing baby. And if you have the budget to spend on this high chair, I would say this is a great investment piece. I've put some links on where you can get this high chair down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!